everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing well, and summers are definitely not treating us well this year. It's extremely hot, humid and a lot sweaty compared to any other summers I've stayed in Delhi. So yes, embracing the weather, and here I am with my monthly favorites. So I don't do these every single month favorite. I happen to share my favorites every 2.5-3 months. So technically this is my second favorites video of this year, and yes, by the end of the video you would know which are those skincare and makeup products have made it to my favorites and why am I loving them so much. And if you haven't checked out my past few videos wherein I have talked about top 5 products, top 7 products, top 10 products, consider checking them out, because there you happen to see a lot more options available and why do I love them so much. So yes, without any further ado and making this intro any more longer, let's get started. So why not start this video with a sunscreen, because summer is at its peak and this summer I have used so much of sunscreen and so many different sunscreens. Now the first up which I have been loving again is the M Caffeine Sunfix Daily Glow Green Tea Sunscreen with SPF 50 PA triple plus, no 4 plus, sorry, I just have a habit of saying triple plus all the time. So it is for all skin type. The best part about the sunscreen is you do not feel that you're wearing one, and I must tell you, this is one sunscreen which I wear it almost every single day, because I do use a lot of other sunscreen, but this is something which I wear every single day. And the texture of the product is really good. It just gives you a feel of a daily moisturizer, not creasy, does not leave any white cast. This shine also will just go away. So it's a perfect sunscreen for combination to oily skin as well as dry skin. And this has niacinamide as well, so you have these other properties as well, the skin correction properties. So if you are interested into a good lightweight sunscreen for this summer, then might as well try this one, because this is really good. And you can even wear this sunscreen by itself just like your any other moisturizer. So treat this product as your sunscreen and a moisturizer. You really don't have to layer up too many products. So for those reasons I've been loving this sunscreen and I know that I'm going to repurchase it. Moving on to another sunscreen which I've been thoroughly loving, and this is about to get over also, is the Nykaa Skin RX Ultra Defense Oil Free Sunscreen SPF 50 PA triple plus. And I'll tell you, the best part about this sunscreen is that this is the most longest used sunscreen as well, and I've tried both the variants from Nykaa and both of them are really good. Though I would say this on the other hand is made for all skin type, so even if you're a dry skin you're gonna love it. One thing which I definitely feel with this sunscreen is that it says oil free, but it does not show up that oil, because in between I had a lot of dry skin going on and this was definitely keeping my skin hydrated and not basically controlling all the sebum onto my skin. So I really like that fact about this sunscreen. And otherwise also I'm a combination to oily skin like this. Now my skin is completely cleared off and I wear this sunscreen mostly for my walks in the evening. I leave for my walk around 4:45 when the sun is peak and is about to set in an hour. So I wear this sunscreen. It really protects my skin well. I don't sweat onto my face. It does not sit vaguely onto my skin. So if you haven't tried this one, you must, because it's a beautiful sunscreen, very affordable. Affordable to nahi bolungi main, but then if you are looking for a good sunscreen, then you must try this one. Quickly moving on to this video, next up I have this very interesting product for your eyes. And if you are looking for a product which can work on your hyperpigmentation around your eyes and give you brightness, grab this product. It's beautiful. It's the M Caffeine Insta Bright Kombucha Tea Under Eye Cream. Now frankly speaking, when I bought this product I really had expectation and it worked above my expectation. You will definitely see your pigmentation or hyperpigmentation reducing, not vanishing, reducing. You will definitely see more brightened up eyes. You can wear it underneath your makeup. This product speaks for itself. I'm telling you, I have never seen a product working so good so quickly. This is the product It has a little tint to it, but it just vanishes into the skin. You really don't see that tint. So what I do basically a lot of times when I'm doing my full face of makeup, I do use this product as my eye cream and then go in with my other products. And it has that nice peach tone to it. It definitely adds up that brightness. So if you haven't tried anything like this and you want to try a product for your hyperpigmentation around your eyes, this is the one to go for. I am absolutely loving it, and I know that I'm going to be repurchasing it soon. Next up, I have two lip balms which I've been thoroughly wearing, using, and I must tell you I'm so happy with my purchase. The first up is something by Hyphen, the vitamin infused peptide lip balm. Now if you have really cracked lips, dry lips, hurting lips, because I have suffered this like past 2 months a lot, and this is the lip balm which I've been wearing to heal my lips. So, and I really like another thing about this is the weird applicator it has, and it really hugs the lip and applies the lip balm really well. So if you have very dry lips and you have very much cracked lips and you want something to heal the lips and even hydrate the lips simultaneously, get this. Now this product does not work very quickly, I would say. It works slowly, but 2-3 बार लगाने के बाद ना, 4th time में you will definitely see a little difference into your lips. But ऐसे आपने आज लगाया अभी and you may feel कि half an hour के बाद you will have those soft lips going on. No, it doesn't happen with this lip balm. So this is more of your healing and repairing lip balm. So for those reasons I've been loving this one, because lately I had discovered a lot dry lips, and I really don't know, this summer, in this time of Delhi, I suffered with a lot of dry skin. So that lip balm really worked well onto my lips. The second lip balm, which is really good for your hydration as well as healing, is this Dot & Key Gloss Boss lip balm SPF 30. Again, this is again a beautiful lip balm. इसका applicator थोड़ा normal सा ही है. पहले इसका applicator was not there only altogether. So I really like they introduced the applicator, and the flavor I'm using is mango. Again, really like it. It's not very overpowering. It's not going to hurt your nose. It's not going to give you headaches. But this lip balm really gives that nice hydration to the lips, and इसको लगाने के बाद भी आपको नहीं लगेगा कि एक दिन में इस लिप बाम में कुछ किया है आपके लिए, बट फ्रॉम द 3rd use or the 4th use you will definitely see some changes into your lips and you will like your lips. Now if you have extremely dry lips, तो कोई भी लिप बाम लगा लो, एक रात में कुछ नहीं होने वाला. You have to give at least 2 to 3 days. So both of these lip balms have been working really well. I think I'm going to finish them off very soon. I need to repurchase. So I'm going to try some other variants. If you have any good options and suggestions in lip balm, let me know through your comments. The next product which I'm going to show you is the Magical product. Now buy at your own risk, I would say. Reason being, this product may feel a little difficult as you start using it, and if you just have that patience in you, then you will have the perfect skin. Because some people just don't want imperfection skin going on any of the days, but when you are treating your skin, then you have to give a little time to your skin. This product is definitely something I'm going to go back and repurchase because I loved it. It's the Hyphen 0.5% Retinol Reset Serum. Now please read the word reset serum. It's not the retinol serum only. They say the word reset, and I'll tell you, पहले मैंने भी इस बात पे ध्यान नहीं दिया था. I just bought this because I wanted to introduce a retinol serum. I started using this product after 3 to 4 days of usage, not the continuous usage. Whenever you are introducing a retinol or you are using retinol in general, do not use it every single day. It's not good for skin. Use it alternate day, like 3 days a week, and simultaneously when you see your skin is perfected, you can reduce it to 2 days. So I started using this product, and I must tell you, there was this time after 2 weeks of usage, I started to see my skin started to peel off. I don't know why it happened, but this is the product which I was using. It started to peel off, and I stopped using this product for like 2-3 days, and again I reapplied this product when my dead skin started coming off. But that dead skin was not visible to everyone. It was known to me. I could definitely feel it with my hands, and if anybody closer sitting to me can see, there are like dead dry patches onto the skin. Now it went away. I started using this again, and I'll tell you, I reduced the quantity and I reduced the days as well. What as a final result I got after using this product is a clear skin. Like, I have never seen this clear skin past 5 years of my life, seriously. And everyone around me has noticed this change into my skin, that I have this very spick and span skin, nazar na lage, spick and span skin with all the imperfections gone by. A lot of marks was there, they also went away. This portion of this face also feel more packed up, no pores so visible to anyone. And I definitely have the best skin at this age, at this point of my life, where I'm expecting things to be more visible. But after using this retinol reset serum, things have wildly changed for my skin and I'm loving it. Now, when my skin was completely clear, I started using this product only once a week. So gradually you have to reduce the usage of this serum. This is how I have done it, and I have not used this product like 5 days back. I've been using this product from the month of March. So yes, I have the longest experience with this product, and I know this product works like magic. You just have to be a little patient and it just works beautifully and you will have the perfect skin. If you are a dry skin, I would say keep yourself away from this product, because me being an oily skin felt extremely dry during that phase where my skin was, you know, clearing up and I was getting the new skin. So oily skin ke liye to perfect hai. Dry skin, if you're using it and you're liking it, continue using it. But for an oily skin, it is going to work like a magic. So yes, I swear by this product. I'm just going to give you like how this product looks like. This is how the product is, and it just gets into the skin. So the best time to use this product is night before you go to bed. इसके ऊपर आप कुछ नहीं लगाना. इसके अंडर अगर आपको कोई सीरम लगाना है तो थोड़ी देर पहले लगा लो. But I always say whenever you're putting a retinol, just put retinol. Don't put anything before and after. And then you go to bed, you have a nice skin going on in the morning. So you will definitely have your skin reset with this particular retinol serum, and I'm amazed Hyphen is doing so good with their skincare products. Soon a complete review will be there. So yes, a beautiful product which I'm obsessed with, and I'm definitely repurchasing it. So while my skin was going through the phase, like that phase was only for merely 7 to 8 days. And during that time my skin was getting extremely dry, because anything I was applying, my skin was just absorbing it and I was dry. So to clear up those dead skin from the skin, I was exfoliating as well, but I was using a lot of clay mask. Which is that one clay mask I was using the most is the Mamaearth Upton face mask. To my surprise, this is my third tub by Mamaearth, and I love this one particularly by Mamaearth. This is also going to get over. I'm already like less than, like very little product is left. And if you want to have that skin brightening, you want to have that clear skin, rejuvenated skin, this is the mask you use. So yes, this is something which I've been using the most past 2.5 months out of all the clay masks I have, and this is something worth every penny. And this has turmeric, saffron and apricot oil, which will give you clear skin, a little hydrated skin, as well as give you that glow to the skin. So if you haven't tried this one, you can, because I am absolutely loving it past 3.5 years. Before I get on to a hair care product, the last skincare product, which again something amazed me by this brand, and you must try if you're a combination to oily skin who suffers from acne. This product is going to work like magic. Is the M-Caffeine Anti-Acne Spot Corrector Cream. This is how the product is. You can see I'm almost done with the product. Very little is left. The best thing about this product is the applicator. It is very different. It's silicone tip product आता है बहुत right amount में. You put it on your pimple, you close it, there you have it. Use it at least 3 to 4 times to see your pimple completely diminishing. Now this is not something instant. That's the best thing about this product, is like, at least on the package I've never seen that it says overnight mein pimple chale jayega. It is a product which will work slowly, steadily onto your pimples, acne, and you will have a better skin. Like कभी कभी क्या होता है, कोई भी आप product लगाते हो, the pimple comes off and there is a acne scar. Frankly speaking, this does not do so. इसके साथ आपको कोई भी acne scars नहीं दिखेंगे. At least I did not see, because I had a lot of pimples popping up here, and you cannot see any. I've not done a very full face of makeup as well, and you have seen me bare skin also. So this product really works on your acne, pimples only. You're not supposed to put this product all over your face. Again, it's a cream based product. It's not a very drying product, does not tingle onto the skin. It just stays there. Let it sit for half an hour, 45 minutes. You will see after some time the product diminishes by itself, and after the third usage you will see your pimple has considerably gone down, and you will see there's no pain in the pimple, and you don't feel very disgusted about your pimple, because sometimes it does so. So evidently किसी के face पे वो pimple नहीं दिखता. So this definitely works on your pimples in a very beautiful manner without making you look weird or not the best of yourself. So if you haven't tried something like this by M Caffeine, you should, because this is something again very quickly became my favorite, and I have to repurchase this because mine is almost done. Now we are down to a hair care product which I absolutely swear by. I love it. Is the TRESemmé Gloss Ultimate Hair Serum. Now I have two serum. I have the L'Oreal one also, but frankly speaking, this is the one I use the most. From Andamans, I just been stuck by this one. I did repurchase the Extraordinary one, but for some reasons I've been loving this over that one or more. This will definitely give you like a smooth hair, nice untangling ho jayegi, and you will just love your hair. So this is something which I use almost every single wash ke baad. I just थोड़ा सा damp hair रहेगा, I'll take like 2 pumps of it and put it into my hair. I'm done. And why I like this product more, because I have stopped conditioning my hair for every single wash. So this product really adds that smoothness and softness to the hair. I really don't need to put that conditioner onto my hair, and reducing conditioner into my hair care routine has definitely made a lot change into my hair texture, how they look, and how I feel about them. So yes, this is again a beautiful hair serum. If you haven't tried, you must try, because this is something which I really like it. Like, I know I'm going to repurchase it because this really works. So after you discover some interesting skincare products which I've been loving, let's move on to some makeup. So makeup में ज़्यादा नहीं है, but products which I've been loving, and being a combination to oily skin, you will be amazed to see certain products. Talking about the first product itself is the Nykaa Matte to Last Pore Minimizing Foundation. OMG hai ye. Now I'm in the shade 10 White Tan. This is no more available on Nykaa. I don't know why Nykaa discontinued this shade, but this is my shade. Now the best part about this foundation is like it's a foundation which will not give you like a very cakey and a full coverage look, but it is definitely going to give you a nice beautiful base, just like the one I'm wearing, and you don't look a lot made up, but you just look yourself. So that is why I've been loving this, and this does not budge and move during the day. So being summer's combination to oily skin and super sweaty skin, this foundation sits beautifully onto my skin, and I know I'm going to go back and repurchase this one. This is a matte foundation but does not look very flat out matte. So if you are someone who's a dry skin, can also try this foundation. So this is very much comparable to my MAC Studio Fix foundation. So अगर MAC नहीं ले सकते तो ये ले लो, because ये बहुत अच्छा है. After a beautiful foundation, next up is a setting powder. This is by L'Oreal True Matte Super Blendable powder. Now this is a beautiful powder wherein you can do an instant touch up, and this definitely holds up everything well. Now if you are an extremely sweaty person like me, you may have to go in with a touch up, but अगर आप instantly makeup कर रहे हो और आपको setting के लिए कोई एक अच्छा powder चाहिए तो आप ये ले लो. This does not add a lot of color, so it does not even alter the shade of your foundation, or for that matter your skin tone. So yes, for those reasons I love it. It's super light, it just sits beautifully onto the skin, and अगर थोड़े imperfections भी हैं skin पे तो ये powder completely fix कर देता है उसे. So for summers this is a beautiful powder. You will never feel dry or patchy with the powder. So अगर आपने ये वाला powder भी try नहीं किया है, you must have done a complete dedicated review on that product. Let's move on to some blushes. So I'll tell you, I don't know, I never felt like this that I would ever be gravitated toward creme blushes, but for some reasons I've been only using them. Powder blushes I'm touching, but creme blushes are the ones I'm using. The first up is the Lakme Power Play Velvet Creme Blush, OMG प्रोडक्ट है ये. सो ये ब्लश तो आप ले ही लो, बिकॉज ये ब्लश आप विदाउट मेकअप भी पहनोगे तो भी अच्छे लगोगे, विद मेकअप पहनोगे तो भी अच्छे लगोगे. बट विद मेकअप पहनोगे तो थोड़ा आपको लगेगा इंटेंसिटी कम है अगर आप ज़्यादा लाउड ब्लश पहनते हो तो. बट ये आई लाइक इट बिकॉज आई डोंट प्रेफर वेयरिंग full face of makeup every single day. So if I'm generally just going out, I would like to have a very minimal base. Therein this blush comes into play, just the name says. So yes, a beautiful blush by Lakme which I'm totally enjoying. I'm doing a complete review also to check it out. It blends seamlessly into the skin. It's very buttery, very creamy. A lot of combination to oily skin may not like it, but a dry skin will love it. And I'm also loving it because I'll tell you, I'm an aging skin also. So I like to put more cream products because then it looks more better onto the skin, does not enhance the hidden texture of my skin, I would say very clearly. So introduce more creme products, you will not see textures of your skin. Yes. Next up is another creme brush which I'm wearing onto my skin today. Is the Kiro, what do you call them? Kiro creme blush stick or a blush stick. And I picked up the shade, very famous shade, Vintage Rose. Now it looks way dark onto the website, but it's not that dark. Now you have to build up this blush to get that intense color payoff. But I do feel कि अगर इसका subtle payoff भी आप देखोगे skin पे तो आपको अच्छा ही लगेगा. But जैसे कि today I was doing a little more makeup, so I wanted a little intense payoff, so I went in like two layers of this, and it blended really nicely. Then I further went in with the foundation, and then I just grabbed like my very subtle light powder blush and then थोड़ा सा dust off किया, so that this color can peek through. So yes, you can build this up, but if you're wearing it underneath your foundation, then it may not show as much pigmented. But if you're wearing it by itself, it looks beautiful. So this is something which I've been wearing lately a lot. The only reason that it's so easy to blend this product, so creamy, and it just gives that nice color onto the skin. So yes, for those reasons I'm loving it, and I know I'm going to be loving it for some more time. Let's talk about another blush which I've been wearing, and this is about to get over also. I think it's almost done. Is the Swiss Beauty creme blush in the shade Copper Cheeks 04. Again, a shade which a lot of you will love. If you haven't tried this blush from Swiss Beauty, you must, because I swear by it. Now the only problem with this product is this mouth which you see वो block हो जाता है. So then you have to just remove that mouth and start using the product directly from the tube. So this is how the shade is. Now इसको मैं और blend कर दूँगी तो ये बहुत subtle हो जाएगा. So again, a beautiful creme blush which I'm thoroughly loving, and the only reason I love it more because it is the creme product, but when it sets into the skin, it's set as more of a semi-matte blush. So it's not super loud onto the skin, it subtly just blends into the skin, and your skin does not look oily or greasy because a lot of blush can do so. So yes, for those reasons I love it, and mostly I wear this blush in my night events a lot. Even for that matter, in general also, I'm going out in the night somewhere, I would like to wear this shade because it just complements the lighting, the night, and my skin tone. So yes, so this is something again I've been loving the most. Let's move on to some eye products, because not too many eye products I've been loving means I did not try much. Whatever I tried, I've talked about, and there have been some disappointments as well. So you would have seen those disappointments. You will see future maybe kuch disappointments. So thoda sa hai, brands have been launching so many products, so kahin na kahin thoda miss ho jata hai. Now talking about the product which I love the most, first up is this holographic eyeliner by K Beauty. I really don't remember if I showed you this in my last favorite video as well, because this is my holy grail product. This is something which I wear almost every time I do an eye makeup, and today I just restricted myself. And this is the shade Milky Way. This is how it is. So it has that nice purple hue, blue, little green, everything is going on, and this will be loved by many of you because this is not a very bright color. It is something more warmer, so a lot of you would love to wear it. So for those reasons, I've been loving it. I generally use this product underneath my lower lash line. It just complements the whole eye look. Talking about a mascara which I've been loving and I'm wearing it under my eyes also, and I repurchased this one, is the Nykaa Curl Power Curling Mascara. So I picked up the two mascaras, the volumizing one and the curling one, and I basically love both, but this is the one I have used the most. So this definitely adds that curl, volume, and I do feel this adds a little length as well. So अगर सारे नहीं लेने हैं तो आप बस ये ले लो. This you are sorted. Now the best part about this mascara that it comes off easily, because I don't like mascara which are stuck onto my lashes. Even if I remove my makeup, there is some sort of mascara hanging onto my lash. I don't like that feel. This one comes off completely in one wash. So for those reasons also, I repurchased it and I knew how it performed onto my lashes. So affordable mascara chahiye to Nykaa wala le lo, because this is really good. So those were the only makeup products which I would say made it to my favorites. There are a lot of favorite videos, or I would say top 10, top 5, top 7 videos have gone in the past. Check them out. So I really don't want to repeat the whole thing again in this one singular video. Let's jump on to some lipsticks. So not too many shades I wore this time. Basically I was trying a lot of different formulas and a lot of lipsticks, but the two lipsticks which I've worn the most, you will be amazed. The one which I'm wearing onto my lips is something very old into my collection and is by MAC Cosmetic. Is the shade Twig Satin Lipstick. So this is not the matte lipstick, this is the satin finish lipstick, and I've been constantly wearing this one. OMG shade hai ye. See. So I would highly recommend you don't buy Meher, you buy this, because Meher I do feel washes a lot of Indian skin. I don't know the new Meher how they have done the shade, but at least the Meher which everyone has used in the past, I do feel it washes a lot of Indian skin tones. This would sit beautifully. So yes, this is something which I'm wearing onto my lips, and I wear this more often than any other lipstick I have. I have a lot of lipsticks, but for some reason I don't know, I'm just loving this shade and this lipstick formula. So yes, if you haven't tried MAC lipstick, do try. It is expensive. I would not like push you to a level go buy MAC lipstick. No, you can avoid that altogether, but this is a beautiful shade. If you're interested in something, why not? Next up, a shade and a formula altogether new. I have been constantly wearing this particular shade, is the Revlon Colorstay Suede Ink lipsticks. I have two shades. The one I'm loving the most, and loving to nahi bolenge, wearing the most, because I love both, is this Power Trip shade. This is a typical warm mauve pinky brown shade. You would say both the shades look same, but they are not same. So this is the Revlon one. Again, something beautiful. The best part about this lipstick, the best part, is that it will apply and it will dry down to complete matte. Then it does not go anywhere. Even if you happen to eat your complete meal as well, this lipstick is not going anywhere. So yes, if you haven't tried these, you can. I will do a short mini review also on this, because I've tried two shades, and I have tried more lipsticks from other brands like one shade. I'll talk about them in one video. But अगर आप इसके बारे में सोच रहे थे तो आप ले लो, ये बहुत अच्छी है. And now we are down to the two glosses I'm loving, and I'm mostly using them as my lip toppers and not as gloss by itself. First up is something very affordable, is by the brand Just Hub Shiny Crystal Lip Gloss. This is a clear gloss. You can wear any lipstick and then just do a little top up and you have that nice sheen going on. Now the best part about this gloss is it does not make you feel that you're wearing one. It just adds that nice beautiful shine onto the lips, and there you have it. Now the best part about this gloss is again one thing, that it does not change or alter the formula of your existing lipstick on the lips. So sometimes क्या होता है, आप कोई gloss लगाते हो तो कोई lipstick भी पूरी glossy हो जाती है and the lipstick starts moving here and there. This does not do so. So the best way to put something like this on an existing lipstick is just put it in between, then do finger tapping. Don't do this. Don't do this. Let the gloss set by itself for another 1 minute, and there you have the nice lip going on. So yes, this is something which I've been wearing lately a lot. And another gloss which I've been obsessing over and I'm loving, and I'm so happy that I picked this up, is the Kiro lip gloss in the shade Pop My Berries 01 shade. It looks very dark in the container, but I'll show you how it is. So I'm going to swatch it next to the Just How one, and this is how it is. Again, this also I wear it the same format. Put a nice lipstick like the one I'm wearing. Iske beech mein I'll just put it here, do ek bar aise, do a finger tapping, and there I have it. Now this gloss can be worn in the night a lot more than afternoon, I feel, because night में क्या होता है ना, it's extremely dark and your lipstick is generally not visible. So क्या कर सकते हो आप, ऐसा कोई gloss लगाने से आपकी lipstick बहुत अच्छी दिखती है. You look really nice. So yes, you can understand how I'm wearing this lip gloss. So yes, for those reasons I'm loving it, and the formula is so nice and well done. It's not goopy, it's not greasy तो नहीं बोलेंगे, it's not goopy, it's not sticky. It does not move your lipstick. It does not, this product by itself also does not move here and there and does not transfer on the teeth. So yes, for those reasons I've been loving it, and I'm really happy that I made this purchase. So if you haven't tried the Kiro gloss, you must. It is for 800 rupees. And there I happen to show you all the makeup and skincare I happen to love over 3 months, and I must tell you all of these products perform absolutely wonderful onto my skin type, that is combination to oily skin and this summers. So everything will be linked and listed in my description if you're eyeing any of the products, though all of the products have been dedicatedly reviewed also onto my channel. So check out the reviews as well to understand the product a little more, and then go ahead and grab for yourself. I hope you loved watching this video. If you do so, consider giving a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram at @bronzinggeek5. I will see you in another interesting video. Till then, you take care and ta-da!